Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about one of the oldest and sweetest fruits in the world, the fig. Maybe you eat it sometimes, but do you know what happens to your body if you eat it every day? If you stay with us, you'll have the chance to see a Mediterranean recipe with dried figs. The fig is a real treasure trove of health, and we have singled out a few superpowers that make it an essential addition to any diet. A sweet energy bomb. Think you need a chocolate bar for a quick recovery? Think again. Figs are a natural source of sugar and carbohydrates, ideal for boosting energy without a sharp rise and fall in blood sugar. They are perfect as a healthy snack before a workout or during the workday. A helper for a healthy stomach. If you have problems with digestion, the fig can be your best friend. They are rich in dietary fiber, which acts as cleansers of the intestines, helping to prevent constipation and maintain the health of the digestive system. Say goodbye to bloating and heaviness. A guardian of the heart. Figs contain a large amount of potassium, a mineral that is crucial for regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure is the main cause of heart disease, and regular consumption of figs can help lower it. Your heart will be grateful. An elixir for bones. Many people think that milk is the only source of calcium, but figs are also an excellent source of this mineral. By consuming figs, you are taking in calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. They are especially good for people who do not consume dairy products. About fig milk latex. You have probably noticed that from the stem of the fig or the leaf, when you pick it, a whitish, sticky liquid flows out. That is latex or fig milk, which contains enzymes such as phycin. Is latex dangerous? Latex can be irritating to the skin and mucous membranes, especially if you are allergic. Therefore, caution is advised when handling unripe figs. Nevertheless, in folk medicine, it is traditionally used to remove warts and other skin problems. Dried figs, a treasure trove of health all year round. When the season for fresh figs is over, there are dried figs. They are much sweeter and more concentrated, but also more caloric. Although they are more caloric, they do not lose their nutritional value. Why are dried figs great? It's an energy bomb. They are an excellent source of energy, ideal for athletes and all who are active. There are minerals. Dried figs contain significantly more calcium and iron than fresh ones. Calcium is key for healthy bones, while iron helps in the fight against anemia. They are rich in fiber. The fiber content is even greater in dried figs, which makes them an excellent ally for digestion. Recipe: dried figs in olive oil. This combination is a true elixir of health and beauty. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties and healthy fats, and figs supplement this mixture with fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Health benefits of this combination. This homemade product is traditionally used to improve immunity, regulate cholesterol, and stimulate digestion. We also made and consumed it. Ingredients: 40 dried figs, quality extra virgin olive oil, a jar with a lid. Preparation: take a jar and fill it with dried figs. Pour olive oil over the figs, taking care that they are completely submerged. Close the jar and leave it to stand in a dark and cold place for at least 40 days. Usage: consume 1 fig every day in the morning on an empty stomach, and so for 40 days. If you use it every day for a longer period of time, it will contribute to regular bowel movements and the cleansing of the body. It solved the problem of lazy bowels, but also stomach ailments such as Helicobacter. Bones and heart will surely feel good. How do figs grow? For me, this fig fruit is very unusual compared to other fruits. The most interesting thing about figs is that they are technically not fruits, but inflorescences. The internal structure of the fig, what we call the fruit, is actually a hollow floral stem known as a syconium. Inside that hollow, hundreds of tiny white flowers grow. For these flowers to be pollinated and develop into the tiny, crunchy seeds we feel when we eat a fig, a special process is needed that involves the fig wasp. This wasp enters through a small opening at the bottom of the fig to lay its eggs and pollinate the flowers. Regardless of this complex biological process, most of the figs sold on the market today are parthenocarpic, which means they develop without the pollination of a wasp, so there is no worry. This is why all the figs you buy are safe to eat and do not contain any insect remains. Figs are truly a magical fruit. Whether you eat them fresh, dried, or in combination with olive oil, they are a fantastic addition to your diet. Don't forget to click subscribe for more tips like these. Are you fig lovers? Write to us in the comments. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.